VMware by Broadcom. Let's quickly talk about licensing and subscriptions. Many customers tell me that utilizing the new subscription licenses is far more expensive for them than they have ever paid before. First and foremost, when we looked at the numbers, typically something was odd in the numbers. But also what we have seen lately quite often is that if we combine actually the license subscription together with a managed service from ComDivision, where ComDivision provides globally level 1 and level 2 support and all the other services we can add on top of it, in combination it is actually far cheaper for most customers. I just made a deal with a larger medium-sized enterprise here out of Germany, and they are going to save 15% year over year compared on the new licensing versus the old one. But that is just the cost savings. On top of that, they now have the complete VCF stack, including ARIA Enterprise and everything else, which they did not have before for all the sites. So on top of the savings from a license perspective, they are also going to massively save because they can utilize many more functions. For us as a partner, that also means we can help them get the solution to life and actually ensure that all the value out of the VCF suite is actually instantiated for the customer. So if you have any questions, if you have any scenario where you want to challenge us and where we want to actually go through your numbers one by one, feel free to contact me or anyone else from the ComDivision team, and let's have a quick check on that one. If you do not yet, follow me on social media to keep you updated on all the latest around VMware by Broadcom. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or write me a direct message. See you soon.